What if the only free time you need to build a real income stream is 90 minutes a day and you already have it? It's called nap time. This isn't another wake up at 4 a.m. and hustle harder video. This is about something different, using artificial intelligence to compress hours of work into minutes, so a toddler's nap schedule becomes your working window. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a workable starting framework, not vague advice, for exploring nap time income, one step at a time. Just a quick heads up before we dive in, this is educational content only, not financial advice. Results vary based on effort, skill, market, and timing. Income examples are illustrations, not guarantees. So do your own research as well. Now, let's get into it. If you're a parent, you already know math doesn't work. A toddler's nap gives you maybe 90 minutes to 2 hours, once a day, if you're lucky. That's not enough time to build a website, learn to code, or run a traditional side hustle the way influencers with no kids make it sound. So most parents just give up. They tell themselves maybe when the kids are older and let the idea die quietly. But here's the shift worth considering. The old side hustle playbook assumed you had to do all the work yourself. Write every word, design every graphic, research every topic. Artificial intelligence tools have collapsed tasks that used to take 3 hours into 15-minute sprints for many users. Which means the question isn't just, do I have enough time? It's, am I using the right tools for the time I actually have? That brings us to why this matters right now. Artificial intelligence tools have crossed a practical threshold. A year or two ago, artificial intelligence-generated content often needed heavy editing and felt robotic. Today, tools like ChatGPT, Canva's artificial intelligence features, and voice generators can produce usable drafts, designs, and audio in minutes for many everyday tasks. That's a shift in how much output one person can potentially create in a short window, though quality and results still depend on how well you use them. Some parents report building modest income, often described in the $200 to $2,000 a month range as an illustrative example, not a guarantee, by stacking small artificial intelligence-assisted projects during nap windows. One reported example involves a parent creating custom artificial intelligence assistants around specific parenting pain points, like party planning or picky eater meal plans, during naptime blocks with free artificial intelligence tools. We'll walk through a similar approach today as one possible model, not the only path. So let's get into the framework itself. Here's a simple approach you can test starting with your next nap window, built on 3 ideas. Pick one income lane, batch your output, and let artificial intelligence handle repetitive tasks so your limited time goes toward decisions, not manual labor. First, pinpoint the pain point about 15 minutes. Before touching any artificial intelligence tool, spend about 15 minutes brain-dumping frustrations, either your own as a parent or ones tied to a hobby or job skill. This works because your pain points are often shared by others who'd pay for a solution. Circle 2 or 3 that feel most like, I wish this already existed. Those become your starting ideas. Second, the build sprint, roughly 45 to 90 minutes, is flexible to your nap length. This is where artificial intelligence does the heavy drafting. Depending on direction, here's what that can look like. For digital products, use Claude or ChatGPT to draft content for a printable or guide. Then Canva's artificial intelligence tools to format it for Etsy or Gumroad. For freelance or content services, use ChatGPT or Jasper to draft posts or newsletters faster, freeing time for more client work. And for voice-based products, turn written content into audio using artificial intelligence voice tools for things like bedtime story products. The goal isn't doing everything, it's picking one lane and building a rough version in a single block. Done is better than perfect. Third, the low-maintenance launch, about 30 minutes. Once you have something built, set it up so it doesn't need constant attention. Upload a printable to Etsy, or schedule a week of posts with an artificial intelligence scheduling tool. The setup takes real focus. The maintenance afterward is typically lighter, though it still requires occasional review and adjustment. If this sounds doable, and it's more doable than it sounds, this is the kind of practical breakdown we cover here regularly. Subscribe if you want the next one. Let's make this concrete, since vague advice doesn't pay bills. Say you have one nap window a day, 5 days a week. Here's one possible weekly structure, offered as an example. Monday, pain point audit and topic decision, 15 to 20 minutes. Tuesday, and Wednesday. Draft and design the product with artificial intelligence, 60 to 90 minutes each. Thursday, list the product, write the description with artificial intelligence help, set a price. Friday, share it in 1 or 2 relevant communities, and schedule follow-up. That's a full product cycle in under 5 hours of active weekly work. As an example, actual time and results vary by project and skill level. It won't make anyone rich overnight. Early month income for similar projects has been reported anywhere from roughly $100 to $500. Sometimes more once several products are stacked, but these are illustrative figures, not promises. It's meant to be repeatable and to grow gradually as you add more small products or clients over time. Another version, freelance services boosted by artificial intelligence. Some parents offering writing or social media management report charging higher rates because artificial intelligence helps them turn around work faster. But rates, demand, and outcomes depend heavily on your market and experience. So treat any figures here as examples only. Now, most people don't fail from lack of effort. They fail from a few avoidable mistakes. The first is trying to do everything at once, opening 5 tabs and burning out in one nap time with nothing finished. Pick one project and finish it first. The second is waiting for the perfect idea or tool. Research paralysis eats weeks. Start with a free option and adjust later. The third is skipping the planning step. Building without a clear pain point often means creating something nobody wants, or never launching what you build. This is often the biggest reason side projects quietly stall. This is the exact gap the Income Stack Starter Checklist was built to help with. A short resource for choosing one realistic income stack that fits your schedule and mapping your first 7 days. If that's useful to you, it's linked below. And the fourth mistake is expecting immediate income. Similar projects often take a few weeks to a few months to produce consistent money, if they do at all. Treat the first month as a setup, not payday. Here's the part that reframes the whole strategy. The goal isn't replacing your income overnight. It's building one small, working income stream, then stacking a second once the first is running with less oversight. That's the income stack idea. Small, artificial intelligence-assisted streams layered over time, not one giant leap into full-time entrepreneurship. This approach isn't a gimmick, but it's also not guaranteed. It reflects what's possible when artificial intelligence handles repetitive drafting work and you focus your limited time on decisions: what to build, who it's for, and when to launch. Toddler naps were never going to give you 8 hours a day, but with realistic expectations, they can give you enough time to test something real, one step at a time. If this breakdown helped you rethink your nap time, 2 things. Subscribe if you want practical, limited time income systems like this regularly, and check out the Income Stack Starter Checklist linked below if you want help picking one realistic stack and mapping your first 7 days without overthinking. All links to the tools mentioned are in the description below. Some links may be affiliate links, and we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps our lab keep running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.